The AT216 collars are a series of training systems designed to give you an easier time training your dog. There are many variations of them, like the vibration-only ones, the ones with a 550 meters range, and so on. Also, some are waterproof, while others are water-resistant. The only difference between them is that your dog can swim with the waterproof one, and not with a water-resistant one. The training system works with up to 3 dogs. I will be showing you how to use the one with 2 receivers, but a 1 or 3 dog system works in the same way. Both of these receivers are fully charged. You can tell with this one that is currently plugged in because both the red and blue lights are solid. For the first 3 times charging your receivers, you should make sure that they are charged for 8 hours, regardless of what the receivers tell you. There are 4 buttons on the remote. This is the sound button, the vibration button, the shock button, and on the side we have a switching button. On top of it, there's a thumb wheel. To wake up the remote, you should press the sound button. The next step in using this system is to match the receivers to the remote. To switch the blue light on the remote to the first dog, we can press the switching button. After charging is complete, unplug the cord. The red light on the side of the receiver should remain solid. If it's not on, you would have to press and hold the power button until the light does come on and you hear a beep. Then, we can just press one of these 3 buttons on the front of the remote to match the first receiver to the remote. If it is matched, the red light on the receiver will turn off and the blue light will light up for a second. The blue light will then flash slowly to show that the receiver is matched and working. Using the switching button, the blue light is moved to the second dog, and you can now match the second receiver in the same way that you matched the first one. With the rolling matching codes technology in this system, we can control the 2 dogs separately. The test light can be used to detect the shock, if you don't want to try it on yourself. You just put it on the prongs, and then check to see if a light appears. So, if we want the receiver to shock at level 7 for the first dog, we can rotate the thumb wheel until it reaches 7, and then press the shock button. As you can see, the shock is pretty strong. We can press the vibration button right now, and it will supposedly vibrate the first dog at a level 7. Unfortunately, there's not much difference between the levels. Same with the ultrasonic beeps, they only have 1 level. Only the shock actually has 7 levels. With this first receiver, you can really tell the difference between a level 7 shock and a level 1 shock. Now, say I wanted to shock the second dog with a level 4 shock. I would press the switching button on the side to move the blue light to the second dog, turn the thumb wheel to 4, and then press the shock button. We can make the receiver vibrate, beep, or shock continuously by pressing and holding the button longer. Pretty simple. The remote can also turn the receiver on or off. If I wanted to turn the first receiver off, I can first move the blue light to the first dog, again with the switching button. Then I rotate the thumb wheel to 0, press and hold the sound button, and then press the vibration button. The first receiver is now turned off. The remote will go into sleep mode by itself after 2 minutes of inactivity. Thanks for watching.